Numit Humni Chatharakpa Nata Sankritana workshop Loisankhre India LEINGAK Ministry of Culture North Central Zone Cultural Center gi Cultural Function Production Grant Scheme gi MAKHADA THOUBAL WANGKHEM da LEIBA LAISHRWM GOURA SANGEET Academy na SINDUNA KRISHNA ABHISHAR HAIBASIDA Numit Humni Academy ASIGI hall da Chatharakhiba Nata Sankritana gi workshop kam production ngasi Loisankhre workshop kam production adu loisinbagi thoramda Huyel Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association Irilbungi Director Padma Shri Awardee K Sanathoiba Sarmana Athoiba Mithunglen LAISHRWM GOURA Sangeet Academy ki President Moirangtem Narahari Singh Gold Medalist na Thoramapu aduga LMGSA gi Principal Naurem Gulab Singh Regional Center for Cultural Heritage Yaripoki Secretary Wari LEIBA Guru Samurai Lakpam Kunja Bihari Sarma Smile World Peace Foundation ki Director Amadi National Youth Project Rajasthan ki Secretary Gautam K Guts Jenna Akhanaba Mithunglen Singoina Sarugyaki Ngasigi workshop loisinba aduda Akhanaba Mithunglen oina Sarugyaki ba Regional Center for Cultural Heritage Yaripoki Secretary Amadi Wari LEIBA ki Guru SH Gunja Bihari Sarmana Dharmana Marai Chatharakpa Haibasida Resource Person oina wangangduna Dharma Haibasi Karino Dharma Laitrabada Khunayamada Ohelakpa Kaya Singi Matangda Sandokna Miyamda Thamki Tungda Kumari Dolly Sarmana Sankritana K Pradipna Pung K Thoibi Devina Ishai K Prem Bashi Workshop Adugi Production Oriba Krishna Abhishar Su Miyamda Demonstration Utki